I think what most of us really recognize is that through the work that we do, even as individuals or as parts of teams, that we have this broad and lasting impact for students.
I don't think it's like one big thing, it's all the little things that add up. The time spent after school with tutoring kids and the little relationships that you form.
We always do a hello song together that kind of signals to the students that we're ready to go and our intentions. So I think that's like a positive thing that I do.
What one person could do, it multiplies the effect when we come together as a team.
It's never really just one. We're never just one here, especially in this building. At ECPS, it's always a team. So it takes everybody.
Like one person can spark an idea, but for everything to transform, everybody needs to work together.
You hear all the time people talking about that one teacher that affected them through their course of their education. How that one teacher just changed their belief or changed their attitude about themselves.
The theory behind phys ed that has been here in the past was more sports oriented, and we're really trying to focus on lifetime activities so the students hopefully catch at least one thing they love that they can carry on throughout their lives.
I think the small things include just giving the kids a high five first thing in the morning, showering them with compliments anytime they do something good, but even using compliments to support my coworkers.
I mean, if you can make somebody's day a little bit better, why wouldn't you? I mean, it's not that hard. A little joke, a smile, a pat on the back.
It's a big difference as a student, a motivation to come and try next day.
Maybe it makes their day and then they're happy, so that spreads to the people they had come in contact with.
I think it's like a ripple effect. And so if one small action can ripple out into bigger and bigger things, the impact of one person will ripple out into the classroom and then ripple out into the school as a whole and then into the community.
You never expect something that one person taught you, even as an adult, to affect you for so long.
We're seeing the piece of paper kind of being processed and all the legalities, where she's hands-on being able to make it work, and it just makes it come more alive for me and really realize the impact that we have.
And I think it just really is those small moments that you think that don't have an effect and you watch them come full circle.
I've had several students come to my classroom after they've graduated thanking me for teaching them skills because they help them through their times of crisis.
Making sure that I'm showing up and seeing beyond just the surface of people. You know, I think we all could maybe do that a little bit more.
It boosts morale. It's not only me that it's impacting, but it's impacting everybody here.
The thing we focus on the most is literacy. So throughout Genesee County, we have bookshelves where families can go and take books to read to their little ones. And so this is a project that has been established before I got into this role. But since I've been here, we've really made it grow.
Each one of us, even people who are not in the classroom directly, impact the way that the kids see school. And I believe that we all work as a team to create that environment where the kids love to be here.
Start with the little ones, and then sometimes it start with us too. It need to be more positive affirmations. It need to be more positivity.
Taking the time to understand my students and the way that they communicate has taught me that learning is circular, and I can learn just as much from them as they do from me.
The impact that I've had on our students, just from the beginning of the year to the end of the year and building on those small little successes.
It's one person, but it touches many, many people that then goes out and spreads to all of our new staff, and then that in turn allows our students to be able to get treatment and the care that they need when they're on our buses to and from school.
The things that one person does, it's like the butterfly effect. It has an impact on many different areas and many different people.
We are a group per se, but we also have to work individually.
Us all together bringing what we bring to the table has had a wonderful impact on the students.
I'm one person coming into class teaching about health, and at each school I have multiple versions of me doing that every day without me even having to be there.
Just how much your impact has to a whole group of people can be underestimated.
It's in the simple things that we're reminded that graceful greetings make a day and can make someone's life so much better.